Hey guys, welcome back to Elan app. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Roblox unexpected error occurred and Roblox needs to quit. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, you might be wondering, how do you fix this issue? Well, fixing this issue is fairly easy. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to delete some files. So first is you want to go to your app data folder. Now at the bottom left of the screen, you want to go and click on your search icon and you want to type in the following, which is going to be run, and go ahead and open it up. Now in here, what we need to do is you need to type in the following, which is going to be app data, and hit on OK, and that should open up a folder. Now you want to open up your local folder here and you want to select one of the folders and press the R key on your keyboard so that in here you'll be able to see Roblox immediately. Now what we need to do is we need to right click on this folder and click on delete. Now once you've done that, what we need to do next is we need to proceed to our temp folder. So you want to close this one and you want to go ahead and run the run application again. So just type in run here, open it up, and you want to type in the following, which is going to be percentage temp percentage, and just press enter. Now you should be able to see a lot of temp files here, so you want to select one of them, press R again, and you should be able to see Roblox. So Roblox, just right click on it, click on delete, and from then on go ahead and see if that solves the issue. Now if that doesn't solve your issue, you might want to delete all the files that you have here on temp. So in this case, just select everything here. So I just press Ctrl+A to select everything and right click on them and click on delete. Now if not deleting all the temp files here, or not deleting the temp files does not work, the next thing you could do here is to do some basic troubleshooting. So the basic thing that you could do here is to basically uninstall and reinstall Roblox. But the only difference here is you need to install this on a specific way. So first, to uninstall this, just type in onto your search uninstall. From here, you should be able to see add or remove programs. And you should be able to see Roblox here. So you could go choose or click on Roblox on the search bar here and just type in Roblox. Now once you see it, you could go ahead and click on it, click on uninstall. Once you've done that, the next thing is you need to reinstall it again. So go ahead and close this one. So in order for you to install this, you want to install this via Microsoft Store. Now sometimes installing it directly from Microsoft Store, it can solve a lot of issues. So you want to go ahead and go to Microsoft Store, just type in Roblox, press enter, and if you do see Roblox here, you want to click on it and just basically click on the get and install buttons here. Once you've done that, go ahead and run the game and see if that solves the issue. Now if that doesn't solve your issue, the next best thing that you can do here is to change a few things on Roblox. So how do you actually change that? So you want to locate your Roblox player here and you want to right click on it and you want to go to properties. Now under properties, what we need to do is you need to go to a very specific section. So in this case, if it does see this, the next thing you could do, it means like it's not a valid shortcut. So we're going to cancel this one and you want to open up your search here and just type in Roblox. You want to right click on Roblox player and you want to go ahead and click on open file location. Now in here, you want to right click on Roblox player, click on properties again, and again you want to go to the specific section or tabs here. So if you're still seeing the pop-up here, you might want to reinstall Roblox first. So in this case, once you've done that, you go ahead and proceed with the following. So first is we want to go to the compatibility tab here, and you want to make sure that you enable the following options. So we have the run this program as administrator, and also enable disable full screen optimization, and you could choose run this program in compatibility mode. Now click on apply and click on OK to save your changes, and from then on you can go and try run Roblox again and see if that solves the issue. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elan app. Thank you for watching.